Across the world, hidden far from highways and crowded tourist paths, lie villages untouched by time. These are places where the sun rises gently, where quiet rivers move unhurried, and where life breathes softly. Today, we invite you on a journey across continents, discovering the world's most beautiful unknown villages. Prepare to travel through misty mountains, ancient forests, vibrant cultures, and peaceful coastlines. Our adventure begins in landscapes where silence meets wonder, far beyond the familiar. In the northern reaches of Norway lies Sakrisøy, a tiny fishing village glowing beneath golden Arctic light. Wooden cabins painted in warm amber tones rest along crystal-clear waters. Towering mountains rise dramatically behind the village, shaping a landscape that feels otherworldly. Fishermen prepare their boats as cold morning mist drifts across the fjord. Here, nature's strength and beauty merge into a breathtaking symphony. From the Arctic Circle, we drift toward the Japanese Alps where the village of Ainokura sleeps beneath snowy peaks. Steep thatched roof houses stand proudly, their architecture untouched for centuries. Lanterns glow warmly inside wooden homes as night settles over the valley. Snow falls quietly along narrow paths, softening each sound until the world feels still. Ainokura is a living museum, a whisper from Japan's past. Next, we move to Europe's heart, to the Slovenian village of Velika Planina. Wooden shepherd huts scatter across vast green meadows, shaped by centuries of tradition. Cows graze lazily beneath an endless alpine sky. As clouds drift slowly across the grass, the land feels alive and deeply peaceful. Life here follows the gentle rhythm of nature. In the Netherlands, the waterbound village of Dwarsgracht awaits. With no cars and only canals, boats drift quietly along mirror-like waterways. Stone paths weave between cottages covered in blooming flowers. Water laps softly against wooden docks, filling the air with calm. Dwarsgracht feels like a fairy tale preserved in time. Traveling south, we reach the Moroccan village of Akchour, hidden deep within the Rift Mountains. Sky blue homes reflect the artistic soul of the region. Crystal streams flow between rocky cliffs covered in green foliage. Colorful rugs hang from balconies, brightening the village with warmth. Akchour is a harmonious blend of nature, color, and community. Far across the Indian Ocean lies the Sri Lankan village of Ella. Surrounded by emerald hills and rolling tea plantations, Ella radiates calm. Mist rises from deep valleys at dawn, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. Villagers smile warmly as they walk along winding mountain tracks. The air is filled with the scent of tea leaves and rain-soaked earth. Crossing continents again, we arrive in the Bolivian highlands at the village of Tarabuco. Here, ancient Andean traditions thrive with vibrant energy. Locals wear hand-woven garments dyed in bold, natural colors. Stone streets echo softly with the rhythm of daily village life. Tarabuco is a living symbol of ancestral pride. Our journey continues to the shores of New Zealand, where the village of Akaroa overlooks a volcanic harbor. Pastel-colored colonial homes line peaceful streets and gardens. Dolphins occasionally leap in the shimmering bay at sunrise. Rolling green hills cradle the town like protective arms. Akaroa blends natural wonder with gentle coastal charm. Deep within the forests of Vietnam rests the village of Ta Van. Terraced rice fields cascade down mountain slopes like green stairways. Wooden stilt houses stand above flowing rivers, shaped by tradition. Children play along narrow paths, their laughter echoing through the valley. Ta Van embodies the heart and spirit of rural Vietnam. In the center of the Aegean Sea lies the Greek village of Olympos. Stone-built homes cling to the mountainside like ancient sculptures. Colorful traditional dresses sway in the island breeze. Locals bake bread in clay ovens, preserving customs passed down for generations. Olympos is a sanctuary of culture and heritage. In the Canadian Rockies, the village of Field rests quietly among towering pine forests. Snow-capped peaks surround the valley like massive guardians. Clear rivers weave through the landscape in shimmering blue ribbons. At night, the northern lights glow softly above the village rooftops. Field is a hidden jewel of the wilderness. Our final destination takes us to Madagascar, to the coastal village of Andavadawaka. Endless white sand beaches stretch beneath swaying palm trees. Traditional wooden fishing boats rest on turquoise shores. Coral reefs shimmer beneath the water like living artwork. Here, time moves slowly, guided by the rhythm of the ocean. Across the world, from icy mountains to tropical shores, these hidden villages reveal life's quiet beauty. They remind us that wonder still exists far from the noise of modern cities. These communities are shaped by nature, tradition, and centuries of human stories. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic journey through the world's most beautiful unknown villages. Until our next adventure, keep exploring,